Simple steps to nurturing people into clients. Imagine a three-legged stool, and on the stool rests your home inspection business. The three legs that hold up your business represent three critical parts of marketing your business, and one of them is nurturing, and all three are needed. The three legs of this stool, the essential parts to supporting your business, are awareness, nurturing, and trust. Now, one, awareness is what we think about as marketing. And the third thing, trust, well, trust sells. Consumers hire people they can trust. And on some level, trust always matters. Now, the second part, nurturing. Nurturing comes after awareness and before trust. Nurturing is what happens when someone new becomes awareness of your business. Well, what happens then? What happens when someone picks up your inspection report to read it? What happens when you meet for the first time a real estate agent at a home inspection? What happens when someone visits your website for the first time? That time between seeing your marketing and scheduling an inspection job with you is called the purchase cycle, or the consideration period. If you nurture your potential clients well, you can shorten that period of time and you increase the rate of conversion, converting an interested person into a scheduled client. And nurturing has a lot to do with capturing leads, potential clients, and converting them, encouraging them, educating them, convincing them that they need you in their lives. Nurturing is about communicating, talking, emailing, texting, content creation, and keeping in touch. Are you talking to potential clients? Are you asking for email addresses in exchange for something of value on your website so that you can start emailing or nurturing the conversation and guiding people towards trusting you and ultimately hiring you? Remember one thing about nurturing in your marketing efforts. Show your passion for inspecting homes and always simply add value to that conversation. Don't be a pushy salesperson. So there's awareness, first time that someone knows that you exist, nurturing, value-based guided conversations, and trust. That's where you sell and convert people into clients. Remember, time kills all deals. So you want to get people aware, nurture them, and convert them as soon as possible. One tool that can help you convert phone calls into scheduled appointments is InterNACHI's Sound Smart system at nachi.org/soundsmart, because you only get one chance to make a great first impression, and Sound Smart helps inspection companies sell services and convert incoming callers into clients. Another one is InterNACHI's free Call Me Now button that your website designer can embed on your website. And the call button captures leads, captures names, phone numbers, email addresses, all in one button. Learn more by visiting nachi.org/call_button. And it's free to InterNACHI inspectors. That's amazing. If your website designer doesn't offer this to you, run away. Remember, time kills all deals. Start nurturing people into inspection clients now.